Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you an easy way how to make the takoyaki. As you know, takoyaki is very popular. I love eating this so much. I usually buy it from the night market, and when I went to Japan, I bought it there too. So I decided to make my own takoyaki, but first you need to have the takoyaki pan. If you don't have it, it's not possible to make it. I think the pan is useful because I can make fried quail eggs from this too. It's one kind of street food in Thailand, only add soy sauce and black peppers on it. I bought the cooked octopus from Fujiya. I just like to show you a little bit how to chop it. Heat a takoyaki pan with oil just until the oil begins to smoke. Then pour batter to fill the holes of the pan. Drop octopus pieces in each hole and sprinkle chopped green onions all over the pan. Cook at medium heat for 2 minutes and turn 90 degrees by using a takoyaki turner. I don't have it, so I use a bamboo stick instead. I admit that it would be very tricky to flip it constantly, but you can do it. And cook another 3 minutes and wait until it turns brown. Put it on a plate and pour mayo, takoyaki sauce over them. And then finish the dish by sprinkling the dry Bonito flakes, and dry seaweed. Yeah, it's finished! If you have any questions or any feedback, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment box below. I hope you enjoy it and please hit the like and subscribe to my channel as well. See you next time. Bye!